Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade vanilla extract. For this recipe, you're going to need some vanilla beans. I got these off of Amazon. I'm gonna leave them linked below if you want to check them out. You're going to need some vodka. And you don't want to get the cheapest one or the most expensive one, just something in between. And then you're going to need a bottle to put it in, and I got this one from the dollar store. The first thing you're going to do is cut each vanilla bean down the middle, just so you could expose the seeds, and then put them in your bottle. I know you might be thinking, why make your own vanilla extract when you can just buy it from the store? Well, first of all, real vanilla extract is very expensive. And second of all, it's just fun to make your own. When you give this as gifts to your family and friends, they're gonna be shocked to think that you even know how to make vanilla extract. After you put the vanilla beans in your bottle, all you have to do now is just pour the vodka over it. The ratio is 1 vanilla bean per 2 ounces of vodka. If you're concerned about consuming the alcohol, well, don't be, because as you know, when you use this, you only use very small amounts. You know, at first when I was doing this, it seemed a little crazy to be putting vodka in your vanilla extract. Like, who does that? But the more I was reading about it, I realized that alcohol is the basis for all extracts. Store this in a cool, dark place and let this steep for a minimum of 2 months before you use it. Be sure to go in there and give it a shake a couple times a week. Okay, so here it is, you guys. This is what it looks like 2 months later. I made this back in November and now we're in January, 2 months to the exact date that I made it. If you want, you can use it before the 2 months mark is up, but to me it still had that vodka flavor. It didn't have enough vanilla flavor, so the longer you have it sitting there, the better the flavor will be. I'm just going to pour them in some smaller bottles now and give them as gifts. Put a sweet little label on it and you're good to go. By the way, I bought these labels from Hobby Lobby and just printed on them. All you have to do now is pour some more vodka over the vanilla beans and you have a lifetime of vanilla extract in the making. I heard someone say they had theirs going for 25 years and that's a long time. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.